Question 8. Now for part A, remember there's only two trig equations you need to remember for C2. One is that sin over cos equals tan. The other one is that sin squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. And that's clearly what we're going to need to do to move from sin squared to cos squared. So here's where we're starting. Sin squared x is the same thing as 1 minus cos squared x. Because as I said, cos squared x plus sin squared x equals 1, and we just rearranged a bit. So we then multiply out with the claw, 4 minus 4 lots of cos squared x. Gather together our 4 and minus 6, gives us this. Change all the signs, so divide or times by minus 1 gives us this, which is what we're required to show. Now hence solve this. So we're being asked to solve this, but we know that it equals this, so we're going to solve this guy here. Now this is just a basic quadratic, isn't it? We've got cos x all squared, effectively a normal cos x and a number on the end, so it's just a quadratic. So just to make it a bit easier to follow, let's call cos x y. So 4 lots of cos x squared, so 4 lots of y squared, minus 9 lots of y, add 2 equals 0. This is a quadratic that we can factorise down to 4 minus 1 y minus 2 equaling 0. So we get two solutions, y being a quarter, y being 2. Y being a quarter, y being 2. So cos x equals a quarter, cos x equals 2. Well, cos x equals 2 gives us no solutions. Think of the cos curve, it sort of maximizes at plus 1 and minimizes at minus 1. So no solutions from here. So we're focusing on our cos x equal a quarter. So inverse cosing both sides, we've got x equals inverse cos a quarter, and using our calculator we get our first acute angle of 75.5 degrees. Now we need all the solutions between 0 and 720. So using our all silver toy cars, our positive cos x's are at this, so follow this. That's the first one, 75.5. Our second one is this angle, around to there. So that's 360 less 75.5, which is 284.5. Our third solution is when we've gone all the way around 360 and an extra 75.5, which is 435.5. And our final solution, given we going all the way up to 720, is picture going all the way around twice 720 less the 75.5, which is 644.5.